Hey guys, how to change download location in Windows 11. So guys, if you find this video is useful, then please like and subscribe to my channel. So guys, what about the region if you want to change your default download locations in Windows 11? So just go to File Explorer. So you can see over here, just go to File Explorer and you can see the left side, the downloads location by default is appearing over here. Just right click on it, just try click and you can just try to find properties. Here you go, just hit on that, and after that guys just try to select location. You can see here, just hit on that, and after that guys just try to select move. You can see over here, just hit on, and after that guys just try to select uh, yeah, just go to this PC. And after that, guys, in my case, only one folder, one drive is showing. So if you want, just choose the new destination, your desired new destination, and click select folder. Then click. So for example, already we selected by default in my case Windows. You just select the in your case whatever the appearing, just go and select folder, and then click apply and okay. So this way, guys, you can change your default download location in Windows 11. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like subscribe my channel. Thank you.